Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. This week we're making Cheesy Moink Balls on the Charmate Lawson. So let's get into it. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what a moink ball is, we're going to take beef mince, the moo, and we're going to wrap it in bacon, the oink, and we get a moink ball. And we're just going to put some cheese in there as well and make cheesy moink balls. And we're going to do those on the Charmate Lawson smoker. But you can just do it on any smoker you've got, pellet grill, water smoker, whatever. So let's do it. Now the first step in our moink balls is preparing the beef. So for the beef, I've got about a pound or half a kg of just plain beef mince. And I'm going to put in 4 teaspoons of a Traeger coffee rub and mix that in. Now while I was mixing this, I found it wasn't quite enough, so probably 2 tablespoons of rub would be better. So once you've mixed in that rub all through the beef, just put it aside and we'll prepare the cheese. So now we're preparing the cheese, which is going to go into the center of these moink balls. And I'm just cutting these up into about 1/2 inch cubes, and I'm just doing up 12 balls today, so we'll cut this cheese up into 12 cubes. Now once you've cubed up your cheese, go ahead and grab your beef and just lay it out flat and divide it up into 12 even portions. And now just take one of those portions and press it out flat on your board. Take one of those cubes of cheese and place it in the center of that beef. And now just roll it up into a ball. And now just repeat for all 12 balls. Now once you've got your 12 balls, grab some bacon and just wrap the balls with the bacon. I've used toothpicks on some of these just to hold the bacon in place while it cooks. Others I've found didn't need the toothpick. Once you've got all 12 balls wrapped in bacon, go ahead and grab a pork rub. Today I'm using a Cully's pork rub, and just go ahead and coat the outside of the balls with the pork rub. Roll them around as best as you can to make sure you get all sides. And once that's done, we'll go out and fire up the smoker. Okay, so here I am out on the deck with the Charmate Lawson 470, and I've got some Kingsford apple briquettes that I'm just using up. I'm only going to smoke these for about an hour, so I don't need much. I'm just going to fill this chimney all the way up, and that should be plenty. I've got a little bit of coal on the rack there, just from the last cook that I did, so I thought I might as well use that up as well. Now I just put a fire lighter on those old coals and place the chimney on top. And I'll give that about 20 minutes for the coals to heat up. Now while those coals are just heating up, I'll set up the top section of the smoker. I'm just going to put the water pan in there. I am going to use the water in the water pan today because I'm going to be cooking this at 150 degrees or about 300 Fahrenheit. And I'll put both racks on top, and now we wait. So once your coals are hot, just go ahead and pour them out into the rack and make sure your vents are wide open, and I'll just put the top section on. I've got my probe for the Weber iGrill 2 on there as well, just to monitor that temperature and alert me if it gets outside of that 150 degree or 300 range. And now I'll put the lid on with those vents wide open and just let it heat up. I'll give that about 20 minutes or so. Okay, so the Charmate Lawson has come up to temperature. I'm just going to give that top rack a quick spray with a bit of oil, and now I'll just put the moink balls straight onto the top grate. Okay, so it's been an hour and these are nice and cooked. A nice brown colour to them. That bacon looks like it's all nice and crispy. So we'll take them inside and try them out. Okay, so these moink balls are looking amazing. I'm just going to cut into one and just make sure that cheese is all melty, which it is, and I'll try it out. Okay guys, so that's how to make cheesy moink balls on the Charmate Lawson. I'm gonna go and eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment and like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.